So hey guys, welcome
everybody.
to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Right.
Alright, so today, well, we got a suggestion from one of our followers, Popcorn Madness 123. So he suggested that we try the Halloween burger from Pastry Passion. So this is the Halloween burger. It's a black bread burger with lettuce, tomato, cheese, and beef patties.
Yep.
With fries on the side, and this is for $1,200. That's $1,200 for this meal right here. So we're going to try it out and tell you what we think of this Halloween burger right here.
Yeah, so hopefully we can get this video out to you so you guys can try it as well. I think it goes up until they only have it for a limited time.
Right, it's a limited thing.
So I think it's between the 25th of October to the 31st of October that you can try.
So
yeah.
Yeah.
Disclaimer, we don't believe in Halloween. We just saw something different and decided to try it.
Right.
So we're going to tell you how it tastes
We're gonna
on
tell you how it tastes.
Try.
So I have with me my favorite ketchup. This is the Jamaican jerk hot ketchup. So I'm going to have it with my fries as well. So let us cut this burger in half.
Yes.
Let's cut it right here.
And we got it from the Pastry Passions that's located
on Hope Road.
On Hope Road,
Right,
beside
that's
TGIF.
Right.
That's the only one that is actually available.
Right. I have to put up my ketchup.
Alright, put up your ketchup.
It's not sponsored. We just like the ketchup, is it? Alright, yeah. So I'm gonna just try the fries. I have to try the fries first, too. The fries is nice. Seasoned fries.
Nice.
So you get seasoned fries with this.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm trying burger. Cheers. Ready?
Yeah. It's about sweetness to it.
Tastes like a regular burger, but it's not like a BK Burger King burger. It's a nice, like, actually gourmet meat taste. The patty itself, the beef itself tastes really soft. It's really, the bread is also really soft too.
Right. So when I ask, the bread is basically food coloring that I sort of put into the bread to give it that black look. Yeah, it does taste like a regular burger, but it have a little sweetness to it. I taste a little sweetness to it.
It's not bad though.
And it's not bad. Beef is cooked right. The bread is
really nice, very well seasoned, very flavorful.
You mentioned the bread was soft, right?
The bread definitely very soft. I don't even know, do they make the bread themselves? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
But the bread is really soft.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a sesame seed bun. It's really soft and nice. It's good.
It is a nice burger.
Hopefully you guys will get a chance to actually try this burger.
Yeah. It's definitely a nice burger. I would recommend it.
It's good. It's good, guys.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a YaadMentz thumbs up, halfway thumb, or thumbs down.
I'm going to give it a YaadMentz thumbs up.
I give it a YaadMentz thumbs up as well.
Yeah, it's a good meal. Again, it's $1,200. And you get the burger with the fries.
Right, and it's what you have the lettuce, tomato, cheese,
the beef
patty in there,
and the bread, the sesame seed bread, colored sesame seed bread.
Yeah,
so I mean, there you have it. Big up Popcorn Madness 123 for this suggestion.
If you're watching, comment down below. Thank you for the suggestion.
The burger is good and we definitely recommend it for real.
And you guys can also give us suggestions also whether via any one of our Facebook page or social media pages, whether Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You can comment down below if there's anything out there that you want us to try. Let us know.
Yeah, I will definitely go out and see if we can get it and try it. Again, this is YaadMentz Tries. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get a chance to try this Halloween burger from Pastry Passions. Big up Pastry Passion for this idea. Yeah, it's different. Definitely different. So again, thank you for watching. Big up yourself. YaadMentz Tries.
Subscribe, like, comment, follow me, like our page on Facebook, and we'll see you guys in our next episode.
Bye. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.